Oi, we're back at it again with another Super Mom survival video. Yeah, is your boy Super Mom Robot, and there's some updates to this game. Just some. Yeah, I definitely got more skills. Perks? Yeah, I was on hardcore mode, so that's why there's no perk right there. As you know, I had double jump. Boom. Boom, boom. Okay. Come on. I want this word. Finally. Whoa! Okay, wow. I did like a knockout sound. That was just perfect timing. You spin me right round, gonna get copyrighted. Cross and divided. Oh, sure. It's like, so, no. Blasty. Idiot. Blasty's the only rich one here. Gosh, I was about to say, like, never mind. Yeah, that'd be racist. Yeah, that'd be very racist, sorry. I'm so sorry for that. Okay. I like to jump pretty high, to be age. Am I the only one that says abbreviations in a living sentence? I really do not know. What happened now, though? Ah! Woo! Ow. I remember once I had platform, and I was like all the way up there and put platform, so it was amazing. Woo! Okay, yeah, that kills you. Like, if that... I am so lucky. And if you guys enjoy the series, that's pretty nice too, because I really enjoy this game. I supposed to get my perk. I meant my skill. Oh, get away. Definitely get us here. Oh, God. Seriously. Stay in the corner. Oh. Da-da-da. Okay, I landed right back where I started. Oh my. Ah! No. No. How could I'm trying to get out and I hit that bomb and died. Hurt me. Oof. What? So you spin, oh come on. You spin me right round, baby, right round, yeah, like a record, right round, right round. Jump on him, brothers. Do you know he knows the way? New meme. Love it. Ah. Dear Aaron, happy birthday to you. Rectal? I wish I can land like perfectly on here. Yeah, that's closely. Yeah. This is okay. Yeah, I'm going extra fast. Damn. Damn. Dang. Damn. Kill me. Oh, 2 bombs. Nice. Do this, kick that. Let this hit. Yes, please. Like pinball! Well, that'll save me. Touch. Oh my god. What? Okay, that's why. Ah! Wait, I'm gonna get the 5 health. Yeah, dang it. Hey, it's hardcore mode now. Look at this freaking hardcore mode. Cause if I get hit once, I'm dead. Like, literally once, I'm dead. Definitely my nuke. Probably. Yeah, Brittany. Oh, thank God it wasn't a fake coin. I hate those things. No! No, 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 no. No, no, no. No, no. Okay. My negative 20. Oh, great. 5 health! Can I do this? Ah! Ah! Imagine if I fell in the lava last second. Oh my god, I almost fell in the lava last second. Yeah, dive. You have to come back. Dive is coming back. Boom, Blox HQ. Oh my god. Yo, get to the top and then jump off. It is gonna be majestic. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. It'd be so majestic. Like I could get up this. I can get up to the top. I'm gonna jump. Let's be honest. Seriously? Da 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 da. Damn. Dang. Oof. No, get over here. Oof. Yeah. Super jump is maxed out. Super jump is gross. Wait. Haha! This tree. Oh my god. Ah! Get me out of here. Woo! Wow. Okay. One piece of lava. I don't like that at all. Oh, what if I stand in the tree branch? Dang it. Okay, spectot! I'm on spectot. I sound English. Oi. Okay, you guys will commit suicide, jump off a building? Because I swear she is. Whoa, technology! That Roblox censored that. Knock down any wall. Do you knock down a wall? No! Technology! Oh, Simon. Is that it? Okay. Dang it. Oh, dang it. No, you reposted. Okay. Somebody once told me the world was macaroni. I ain't the sharpest tool in the shed. She was looking kinda dumb with a finger and a thumb in the shape. What the heck am I singing? This is gonna get copyrighted. Well, the copyright doesn't start coming. The copyright doesn't stop coming. Head to the road and I'm gonna get die, which makes sense. Okay. No. Okay, this time we'll have to take it seriously. Yeah, this was definitely a fake coin. Or even if why are you hacking? I think he's hacking. Okay, that was a freaking trick shot and a half. On a bit. Okay then. I know it's here. Ah! Ow. Yeah, that is definitely a fake coin. This is definitely a fake coin. Where is it? What just happened? Yeah. Oof. Yeah, I'm out of here. Ah! All around me are familiar faces, worn out places, worn out faces, worn out. All around me are familiar faces, worn out faces. I just said the same thing twice. Well, oi, bye.